cheesecake stuffed
I know
Hawaiian
everybody
rolls
done
French
this before, but this
toast.
is my take on cheesecake stuffed Hawaiian roll French toast. As you can see, I got leftover cheesecake. I'm gonna scoop the filling out. Okay, now what you're gonna do is wash your strawberries, wash them well, because you're making the strawberry sauce for this. Chop them up, yeah, chop them all up. Throw them in the pot. Chill. Hold on. Okay, now add your sugar and your cornstarch. Your cornstarch is my secret ingredient to how you can make it get thick without having to make a cornstarch slurry later. Okay, add a little water in the pot. Add your sugar and your cornstarch mixer. Hold on. 1, 2. Oh, there you go. Magic. As you can see, it's a syrup. I blended it off camera in the blender to make it more silky and smooth. Yeah. Okay, now next, we're going to get ready to make our batter for our French toast, okay? Look at them ingredients. Follow those ingredients, okay? Mix. Add a little brown sugar. Okay. Now you're going to make little holes for your insertion where you're going to stuff with the cheesecake filling. Chill. Hold on. There you go. Stuff them all like that. Now fill them all up. Drop them in the batter. Boom. Beautiful. I'm going to get a little fancy right here. See my little plate in? Boom. Okay. I'm going to stack them up like Lego. Ooh, beautiful. Come on, man. Thank y'all for watching the Browning Pot. Go follow me on Instagram. Y'all have a good one.